Directness is the idea that learning should be tied closely to the situation or context you want to use the skill in. This principle directly addresses the problem of transfer, which is the historical difficulty formal education has had in ensuring that knowledge learned in one context can be applied in another. Since directly learning the thing we want can feel uncomfortable, boring, or frustrating, ultralearners employ the following 4 tactics to gain a competitive advantage and maximize the effectiveness of their practice. Tactic 1. Project-based learning. This tactic involves organizing learning around the production of something. If learning is organized around producing something, you are guaranteed to at least learn how to produce that thing, making it a more direct path than simply taking notes or reading. For example, learning to program by creating your own computer game. Tactic 2. Immersive learning. Immersion is the process of surrounding yourself with the target environment in which the skill is practiced. Immersion forces a much larger amount of practice than typical and exposes the learner to a broader diversity of real-world situations where the skill applies. For example, language learning, where immersing yourself in a spoken environment guarantees much more practice, since you have no choice. Tactic 3. The flight simulator method. This method is used when direct, real-world practice is infrequent, difficult, illegal, or impossible to create. When evaluating learning methods, those that significantly simulate the direct approach will transfer much better. The simulation must sufficiently call on the discriminations and decisions required by the skill. For example, practicing on a flight simulator that mimics a pilot's required judgments. Tactic 4. The overkill approach. The overkill approach enhances directness by deliberately increasing the challenge level beyond what is strictly required, ensuring the goal wholly contains the necessary skills. Putting yourself into an environment where the demands are extremely high ensures you are unlikely to miss any important lessons or feedback. This method can feel intense, but it pushes the learner toward performance in the desired domain.